Rubaru Mr. India ki audition Imphal ki oinasu tokhaina Imphal da thasigi kunga tareta hills while living da pangthoklagani haina songasim rungsung na phongdokre hiramasiga mari lena na pangthokpa pamisinga unaba amada mahak na hai audition ase Imphal da pangthokodorobanina lamdam sigi miyamna saruk yabada hena khudong chahalagani event asida saruk yaningba singnasu hariba audition ase ki mamangda pau fauraktuna mapung fana saruk yamina si haiki
is once in a lifetime opportunity for you all because Rubaru Mr. India Manipur representative is going to be auditioned in Manipur itself, and the Indigenous Foundation is going to take the initiative for this particular event, and moreover we will be hosting the event on 27th of March 2023 in Hills While Living, and this is something exciting for the younger generation, and this is a great opportunity for you all because this opportunity will not come all the time. So to all the male aspirants, pageant aspirants out there, this is a message for you all because if you are willing to participate in such prestigious competition, then this is the time for you, and go ahead and do the registration because we will be putting up the registration details through social media, so you can start with the registration.